To clean a computer keyboard with soap and water, all you need to do is separate the electronic parts from the non-electronic ones. Then clean the non-electronic parts with soap and water. To wash the keyboard, I will use ordinary tap water, dishwashing liquid soap, and my old toothbrush. For this video, I will clean the Dell SK8115 keyboard. Firstly, disassemble the keyboard, and note that disassembling voids warranty. Make a foam bath using liquid soap. Wash the outer covers only, including all the keys, removing any stains. Rinse the washed parts with clean water. Dry all the washed parts for 6 hours in a clean atmosphere, or use a blower for faster drying. Check for any remaining stains and wipe them accordingly. Reassemble the keyboard. Thank you for watching.